This repair video for the P0175 error code is specifically tailored for Nissan drivers. If your Nissan is showing up P0175 code, this is for you. This means that PCM has detected an air-fuel mixture with too much fuel and not enough air in the engine's bank 2, typically the side opposite cylinder number 1 in a V-type engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty oxygen sensors, leaking fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, fuel pressure problems, mass airflow sensor issues, clogged air filter, ignition misfires. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Scion, Acura, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.